Hello students, myself Devendra Rawat sir. I hope you are enjoying your journey, your studies and your curriculum in Laksh Prep Junior College. Students, your first terminal examination or your first semester examination are coming nearby. This year, Maharashtra State Board has changed its question paper format for all the subjects. So today, here I am going to talk on the new question paper format for physics, chemistry and biology for 11th standard terminal exam or first semester exam. Remember students, this pattern is same for physics, chemistry and biology. It is different for mathematics. My friend Manish sir will record the same for mathematics. So students, let us start with the discussion of question paper format for 11th standard terminal exam, that is your first semester exam. Students, first of all, what is the total marks? So each subject will be of 50 marks and the duration is 2.5 hours, that is 150 minutes. Each paper basically is made up of 4 sections. They are as follows. First section is section A and it has a weightage of 14 marks. The second section is section B, it has a weightage of 16 marks. The next is section C, it has a weightage of 12 marks and the fourth section is section D and it has a weightage of 8 marks. So the total weightage of all the sections comes out to be 50 marks. So each subject, whether physics, chemistry or biology, each subject the paper will be of 50 marks, the duration will be 2.5 hours and each paper will be made up of 4 sections as shown here. Now students, let us see in detail what is there in each section. So to begin with the first section, section A. As you can see, the first part in section A is question number 1, select and write the correct answer and it has a weightage of 7 marks. Basically here in question number 1, you will have 7 sub questions and it is a multiple choice question. So section A first part is a multiple choice question wherein 7 MCQs will be given to you. The correct answer carries 1 mark weightage and wrong answer will have 0 marks. There is no negative marking. In this, the second part, yes students, section A second part is question number 2. Answer the following. As you can see, the weightage is 7 marks. There will be 7 questions asked here and these are very short answer type question. VSA denotes very short answer type questions. So in all, section A first part is multiple choice questions, 7 questions, 1 mark for each, and the second question is 7 very short answer type question, 1 mark each, total 7 plus 7, section A carries 14 marks. Remember students, in this section all questions are compulsory. So you have to attempt all the questions, there is no internal choice provided anywhere. So all questions here are compulsory. Well, moving ahead, the next section is section B. As you can see, you have to attempt any 8 here, attempt any 8. The weightage is 16 marks. In this section, you will have questions 3 to 13. So 3 to 13, in all there will be 11 questions, but you have to attempt only 8 questions and each question carries 2 marks. So out of 11, you have to attempt 8 and 2 marks for each. 8 2s are 16, hence the weightage here is 16. In this section, you can expect short answer type question. So SA denotes short answer type questions. Well, moving ahead students, here internal choice is given as compared to section A. All questions were compulsory, but here you can clearly see out of 11, you have to attempt any 8. The next section is section C. Here you have to attempt any 4 questions, 12 marks. As you can see, question number 14 to question number 19 comes in section C. So in all there are 6 questions here, out of which you have to attempt any 4 and 3 marks for each. So you have to attempt 4 questions out of 6, 3 marks for each and in all 12 marks. So you have internal choice here also provided in section C. Here once again you will get short answer type questions. Well, the last section is section D. As you can see, here it is attempt any 2 and the section D is of 8 marks. In this section, you will get question numbers from 20 till 23. So, 20 till 23, the total questions are 4, but you have to attempt any 2 questions and each question carries 4 marks. So, only 2 questions you have to attempt out of 4 and 4 marks for each, and hence the total weightage 8 marks. Here you can expect long answer type question, descriptive questions here. So, section D is basically a long answer type question. So, students, I have just given you the explanation of each section. Now, students, let us summarize in a nutshell what is there in each section. As you can see, section A, first part is MCQ, 1 marks each. You will get 7 MCQs for 1 mark each, 7 marks. Section A, second part is very short answer type question, again 1 mark each, 7 question, and here it also carries 7 marks. So, total section A 7 plus 7, 14 marks. Section B, as you can see, is a short answer type question and it is a 2 marks each question. You have to attempt any 8 questions out of 11 and the weightage here is 16 marks. Section C, as you can see, again a short answer type question. Here you have to attempt any 4 questions and each question is of 3 marks. The weightage here is 12 marks. And the last section is section D. Section D is a long answer type question. 4 marks for each question. You have to attempt any 2 out of 4 and the weightage is 8 marks and the total weightage thus 50 marks. Let us move ahead, students. Now, the most important is completing the paper on time, or which we call as time management. Very, very, very important time management skill. Sometimes students don't manage the time properly and hence they cannot complete the paper on time. So, let us try to see how much time should be devoted in each section so that we complete the paper on time. So, let us go for this time management. First, the most important is reading the question paper properly. So, always develop a habit of reading the question properly and marking for yourself which all questions you can attempt or you will attempt in this paper. So, I have given 5 minutes for this. Next comes section A, the first part, which is a multiple choice question. Here I have given 18 minutes for this, roughly somewhere 2.5 minutes for each multiple choice question. In section A, the next part is very short answer type question. You have 7 questions here and I have allotted here 20 minutes, roughly 3 minutes for each question for VSA. The next section was section B. Section B, if you remember, we have to attempt any 8 and 2 marks for each, and this section I have given 40 minutes. So, you can calculate 5 minutes I have given for each question. Next was section C. Here you have to attempt any 4 and it was of 3 marks each. I have devoted here 32 minutes, roughly 8 minutes for each question. And section D, long answer type question, you have to attempt any 2 here and I have given it 25 minutes, roughly 12.5 minutes for each question. And lastly, once you complete the paper, please, it's very important checking the answer paper properly, and I have given it 10 minutes. So, total time duration is 150 minutes or 2.5 hours. So, students, while writing the paper, just take care of time management and try to allot time as given this. You can have small variations for yourself, but take care of this time management part. Students, thus I hope you have understood this paper format for your forthcoming terminal exam. Very important. Study hard, students. Try to score as much as marks possible. All the best, students, for your forthcoming exam. Remember, this video is for physics, chemistry and bio paper format. Maths paper format will be recorded by Manish sir. All the best, students. Score very good marks. Thank you very much.
Hello students, this is Manish, MMD sir. Today we are here to discuss your question paper format for your first terminal exam. So let us discuss your question paper format for your terminal exam. Now total weightage for the paper will be 50 marks, having a time duration of 2.5 hours. Now there are total 4 sections, namely section A, B, C and D. Now section A will have a weightage of 14 marks, section B will have a weightage of 16 marks, section C will have a weightage of 12 marks and section D having a weightage of total 8 marks. So total weightage of the entire paper will be 50 marks. Now let us discuss each section in detail. Now when we talk of section A, there will be question number 1 where you have to select and write the correct answer. Basically, it will be a multiple choice question, each having a weightage of 2 marks, numbered from 1 to 5. And question number 2 will have very short answer type questions. They basically, the weightage will be 4 marks. There will be 4 questions, each having a weightage of 1 mark. All the questions in this section are compulsory. Let us discuss section B in detail. You will have to attempt any 8 questions, each having a weightage of 2 marks. Total weightage will be 16 marks. Now the question number will be from question number 3 to question number 13. Nature of the question will be short answer type questions. So total questions will be 11. You will have to attempt any 8, each having a weightage of 2 marks. Let us discuss section C in detail. Now in section C, you will have to attempt any 4 and the total weightage will be 12 marks. Now the question number will be from question number 14 to question number 19. The nature of the question will be short answer type format. Total questions 6. You will have to attempt any 4 and each having a weightage of 3 marks. Now let us discuss section D. Now in section D, you will have to attempt any 2. Total weightage 8 marks. It will be from question number 20 to question number 23. The nature of the question will be long answer type questions. So total questions will be 4, out of which you will have to attempt any 2 and each having a weightage of 4 marks. Now let us discuss the weightage of type of questions. Now section A will have a weightage of total weightage of 14 marks, where you will have a MCQ and a very short answer type questions. Section B will have short answer type questions, total weightage 16 marks. Section C will again have short answer type questions, total weightage 12 marks. Section D will have long answer type questions, total weightage 8 marks. Total weightage of the entire paper will be of 50 marks. Thank you.